Oh my goodness, go. Hey guys, I'm out here in the woods with the dogs, as you can see. Millie's pulling me and I'm pulling the sled. Watch the water. Shit. I didn't want to get wet. But I felt if I didn't get out here now and cut this trail, if we got any more snow, I probably wouldn't be able to do it. So I got my sled packed. I'm gonna let Millie off soon. Come here, Mel. Come here. Millie, come. Millie, stop. If I have heavy breathing, it's because I'm definitely not used to this. Usually I make Millie help me pull the sled all the way, but they're crazy right now. Right, Rock? I got bells on all their either harnesses or collars. So, we sit that way. Anyways, I'm gonna put my phone away so I can get my gloves back on and make it to camp. And I'll film some more there. It's beautiful out. Hey, crazies. Whoa. So, hey, buddy. I know you guys want water. Come on. Get you some water. It's usually the first thing we do. Hang on. And then I'm going to set up Rocky's, here. Let's get out of the way here. I'm getting stuck on my, here. It's nice to have lots of snow because now we can, just melt some snow if I need more water. I'm gonna get this out of the way. Alright. Okay, Rock. Let's, trying to think where you're gonna put your cot here, I guess. Another reason I wanted to come out here is because I have to bring my shovel back. I have the shovel out here. I gotta find my gloves. Setup is always the worst. Because usually you just want to come out here and get doing what you want to do, which is cooking. I'm gonna make egg burritos. Not yet, buddy. These guys ate before we came, so I actually got these gloves for actually cooking because they double as oven mitts, but they're warm. And just so you know, these jeans are flannel inside, so kind of testing them out. Great, my shovel has like ice stuck in it. There we go. Ooh, a little bit icy under here. Clear a spot for Rocky. Here we go. Rocky, you want to go hang out with him? You can. He usually likes to chill here with me. This thing was a pain to pack. What do I got for you, buddy? Your bed? Why are you guys coming from that way? go, Rock? You want your bed here? Here you go, buddy. I go to the thrift stores when they have bag sales and buy up baby blankets for my dogs. I was wondering how these rubber boots were going to do because they're lined. My feet are already getting cold, actually. So, time to get this fire going. Oh, I got some coals in there. That's why I love covering that, because it just works so. Clean up my prep station. Alright. I think I'm going to put a layer of wood from the corral over there. Birch bark. And then I'm going to gather some twigs. So while I'm doing that, I do have a fire started. Everything is frozen. These chairs are frozen. They got ice. So I'm glad I brought the cot to sit on, because I wouldn't have had anything. So far the jeans are warm. The boots aren't. But that's okay. Because I got a fire going now. Oh. I got a sweaty head. Now, to get here, it's a loop trail. But honestly, I don't even know if I'm going to go back the other way. I might just keep coming in and out that way. It's the easiest way. This way's really wet. And I know there's down trees this way. And we already encountered one. What you got, Bubba? Want me to hold it for you? So it's kind of a pain because usually I have Millie hooked up to me and the sled, so I had to unhook her. We went over, dragged the sled under. It's snowing. Or it's snow coming off the trees. I don't know, but I know it's supposed to snow today. He's still eating his. These dental sticks, they're kind of soft, but when they get cold, they turn really hard. For some reason, Jax likes me to hold his stuff while he chews it. Come on, Rocky, you want up here? Come on, buddy. Come on. Come in. Come in. There you go, Widow. Yay. Hi. 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 Hello. 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 Oh, I hope this fire catches. It's all pretty good wood that was under the corral there that we made. And also good news, all the logs that I was supposed to stack that were over there that Scott cut are covered in snow, so I can't do it now. Haha. Great, Jackson. And I think the snow is here for good. I don't think it's going to go now. I know back in Windsor, I talked to my son this morning, and he said they have snow, but he says most likely it's not going to stay. If anything, I probably shoveled when I lived in Windsor. I don't even know. I don't think, like the last year we lived there, we just would wait for it to melt. We didn't even shovel. Unless it was really icy for the male person. You guys don't go too far. Well, I think I'm going to have a coffee. Wait, no. I'm so glad I brought this cot because I don't know what I would have sat on. There's inches of ice. I should knock. Before I go, I'll clear these out and put them out here in the sun. So next time it gets sunny, they might, all the ice might go. But that's why my camera's sitting on a barrel with a lid. And I'm going to keep this in there. So it's always out here for when we need it. And I did have a folding chair, but I don't know. Those folding chairs don't last very long. One season and both of them broke. So, come here, Rock. Come here. Your harness is too loose. I'm gonna just take it. Rocky doesn't really need bells. I'm taking it off. Buddy, it's okay. You don't need to wear it. Freedom! You want to sit up here? You want to sit with me? Oh, no, are you getting snowball feet? How's your feet? Are they getting cold? Are they getting cold? We're going to be out here for a bit. You guys have been bugging me for days, so I got a fire going. We're going to make I'm going to make some eggs and some egg wraps. We'll see how that goes. See how it goes. Anyways, these gloves are okay, but man, they're wet already. I did bring I'm pretty sure I brought my second pair, so I'm more concerned with my feet getting too cold. I think I'm gonna have to take out my my Hush Puppies. I've had these winter boots for 6 years. I got them before I moved up here, so maybe even longer, maybe 7. But they're Dr. Scholl's, and I'm telling you, they are so comfortable. I went one size up so I could wear warmer socks, and they're slip resistant, and they're fleecy inside. The only thing is the zipper tab broke, so I have string. They're a pain because you gotta zip them up, put them on, zip them up. I kind of like boots that you can just slide your feet in. The sun's trying to come out, Willow? I've got a bit of a cold too. I don't know if it's cold or sinuses or just because of the weather change. Oh man, I don't know if this is gonna go. I might have needed some smaller stuff. Just got smoke in my eyes. I think I'm gonna have to gather some more. Whew. Smoke in my eyes. Put these on. Oh, that's better. Alright. I think I need some smaller stuff still. A lot of that did not. The spruce branch is caught, but not the rest. Give it a minute. Still going at it. Alright, well, I'm going to gather some more smaller stuff, and hopefully I get this fire going so I can cook and warm my feet up. Well, I think success. Some of those coals at the bottom caught. So it's coffee time. I love this John Deere thermos. It's like the best thermos ever. I've literally had hot chocolate in here one time for 8 hours and it was still hot. Well, warm, but still. It's a good deal. What's going on, Willow? Tell them to get in here. Jackson and Millie are so bad for not sticking around. They're out in the spruce tree. Hopefully Millie doesn't corral any animals this way. Like last time, I had a rabbit just ran right up here. I don't know why. I think maybe it thought if it was a wild dog after it, how do they know the difference between a domestic dog and a wild dog? Maybe it thought if it went towards like the smell of people, the dog would stop chasing him. But unfortunately for that rabbit, I had 3 others here. They never caught it. He got away. The rabbit will live to see another day. It's a good fire. Once that falls down a bit, I can get my grill on. Jackie boy! Jack! I don't bother calling Millie because even in the yard on the leash, she just like rolls her eyes at me. And if she could shoot me the dog paw, she would. She's very, very independent. It is really snowing out. Yeah. I honestly went on the radar to look, and it really, like, it called for snow, but I didn't see any, like, snow clouds over us, but apparently I was wrong. That's okay, because we are going to cook soon. I'll probably move you closer so you can watch that experiment. I'm so glad I covered this because it would have been absolutely impossible to start a fire with the amount of ice that's on everything. But we had like a week of rain, and then all of a sudden it turned cold and started snowing. So these are soaked. But the fleece inside, I can't feel it. I had another pair of leather gloves like that were like, I think these are like a suede or something. But a leather glove like that was, even though they were wet, they were still warm. I can feel the heat now on my feet, which is nice. Yeah, I definitely will wear the winter boots with thicker socks because I love these rubber boots. They're great for the fall and the spring, just not this cold weather. I have my glasses on to hide the bags under my eyes because, man, I have not been sleeping good. And it doesn't help. These guys have been on a horrible habit of like trying to get us up at 3 or 4 in the morning because they see something out back. And I just had to like put an end to it last night and say, nope, no more going out in the middle of the night. It takes me forever to fall asleep. And then when I do finally fall asleep and then they wake me up, then I'm looking at like I'm like one of those people that takes 2-3 hours to fall asleep. And I try to read at night to kind of like settle myself. I try not to be on the internet. Sometimes it's hard though. Rocky, are you trying to play with the willow? I mean, once in a while he gets this little spurt of energy and he wants to play. Jack! Jackie! What's going on, Willow? Did they snub you? Hi, buddy. You're always here. Come here, Will. Come on, Willow. Come on, Rocky. You want up here? I brought this for you. Yeah, sit down, Will. Yeah, you can sit down. Oh my goodness, you're icy. Her coat's a little bit icy. I think it's from Jack's grabbing her or just getting wet. You okay? You okay, little princess? Willow's my cleanest dog. Somehow she always manages to stay clean. That's why I call her the princess. She's a little diva. Right, Willow? Yeah. Ooh, this fire is looking good now. That cot's kind of hard to get off of. Okay, let me push some of this shit down now. There we go. There we go. I don't know if I should get some more smaller stuff. The other stuff's going. I just don't want to put the grill on and then have to like put it back. Anyway, so I'm going to move this a little bit closer. Wood, grill or more wood? I don't know. I'm thinking a little bit more wood. Just a tiny bit of dead standing. Willow, you entertain everybody. on, Jackie boy! Jackie's gonna be so wet. Same with Millie. They're gonna be drenched. Drenched. Look in the ass. Ugh. Whew. These glasses aren't helping. Whoever failed to entertain the masses. Good job, Willow. Let. Doesn't bring you anything, Rocky. These guys ate. They had. What did you guys have again? Oh, rice and beef. Rice and beef. I don't need scissors right now. I just realized I don't even have bear spray. I don't really need bear spray, but I do need it for other animals. I did bring a fork and knife, but I probably won't even need it. Okay. Over here in this corner. Actually, you gotta spray this stuff. It's stainless steel, but a little bit of butter. Or butter up our eggs. There we go. Probably way too much. I'll give you guys a little piece of cheese after. No. Down. Not getting that. My wraps in there. I got my eggs in here. I just want to scramble them up. My fresh farm eggs from the farm. Alright, that didn't really. Whew. I'm getting so much smoke in my freaking eyes. There we go. What are they doing back there, Willow? Oh my God. I guess it would help if I was standing on the right side. Hey, buddy. Where were you, jackasses? Where were you? Where's Millie? Meow meow, come on. This is still kind of sticking. Maybe it's too hot. Oh, there we go. Yeah, probably too hot. I don't know how I'm going to wrap them and get them on the... We'll see. Whew. Oh, there goes my egg. I love that the sun's coming out. Oh, I don't know if I turned my solar off or not. That's alright. We've been turning it off when we're gone, so kind of bank any electricity we have because it's dark at 5 for the nighttime. I'm watching a lot of movies. We watched Planet of the Apes last night, the new one. It was alright. I don't know. I feel like it's getting to be too much. Too much. Because, I don't know. There's flaws in these stories because you have to have someone taking care of the power plants for electricity. I think they would all go into meltdown. Though the environment would be destroyed. I think my favorite documentary, well, it's not my favorite, of course, because it's a tragedy, but it's Chernobyl, but Chernobyl wolves. There's a whole documentary about these wolves that have survived in Chernobyl and are having puppies and thriving, but the amazing part is when they went in there was how quickly nature took back everything, like the buildings, there's trees growing. It's just crazy how quickly that went back to just greenscape. I mean, you could still see the buildings, but for how much longer? But it's kind of nice because it kind of gave nature a chance to have a comeback. I don't know what those guys are doing. Willow and Jackson just went back. Probably going to get Melly. I don't care. Like, my property runs this way. So, when they're headed this way, I don't care. I just don't want them going that way because I have issues with that neighbor. And the neighbor next to him has 3 female dogs. Well, 2 of them are in heat. My neighbor's dog isn't fixed, and their other male isn't fixed. So I can just imagine the nightmare with 2 intact males, 3 females, 2 in heat. Like, this is why I get my dogs, my animals get fixed. No matter what, rabbits, whatever. If I could have fixed my budgies, I would have fixed my budgies. But I didn't know they were going to go insane. I've never had budgies breed. I gotta clean my spoon off in some snow. I can't believe the ice on everything. Okay, so now I have to figure out how to get a little fry pan here. Grease that up. Oh, my nose. I'm only going to be able to fit one. I don't even know if I can fit one in this little pan. I should have brought my bigger pan, and I was thinking about bringing my bigger camp pan, but this was already packed. I'm just going to use a small piece. Hey, buddy, you want a piece of cheese? And oh, here goes. I was like, did you say cheese? Here, you want a little piece of cheese? Here. It's not very good for you, but... No more. So, let's see. I'll make it fit. I will make it fit. So I'm so unorganized. Okay. This glove is on backwards. Who cares? Oh, I didn't bring salt or pepper. Oh, I'll live. I think I'll live. I'm gonna put the extra eggs up here. But here we go. So there it is. Just put the extra eggs up there. Am I having just one? Yes. So I'm gonna flatten it out like this. That's my dirty camp hands. And I might be able to put a little lid over it. We'll see. But there she goes. Get the cheese to melt. I like these jeans, but they're low ride. I would have liked to have had a higher waist. And I did order one of those full-length hoodies. Says why not? Oh, tongs. Gotta use those. Fire starter don't need. I'm gonna put all my dirty dishes in this plastic bag so I can wash them when I get home. Put that up here behind you. Blow my nose again. Oh. I'm done. This can get packed away. I'll leave the extra piece of cheese out for when Millie and Jackson come back. Put it in my pocket. This way I can find it. Get all this stuff situated in a way so I don't forget anything out here. These guys better be so tired. And I was like, just kind of hanging out thinking, the only thing I want to do right now is diamond art. But that's not fair to these guys. That's nice and relaxing for me, but I need to tire these guys out if I want to sit around and spend the day doing diamond art. Wow. Yes, I did burn it. Walking around talking. This is how you cook when you have ADHD. You walk around and burn your shit. I'm sure it'll still be tasty. Hot, but tasty. Oh, I forgot to leave a plate out. It's okay. I think. I'm just gonna sit it next to my coffee and let it cool. And that's that. These I gotta get washed now. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful out though, like scenery wise. It is beautiful out. Tip you up a bit. There we go. Alright. Let's see what we got going on. Alright. Whoops. See me? I almost grabbed that with my bare hands. Then we'll just let it sit cool. I'll pour some more coffee. I really hope I'm not going to have to hike back there to go grab Millie. She's usually pretty good about just coming back when she's exhausted. But I also worry about her getting caught in her harness, but I've seen her slip out of that harness. But I need her to wear it with her phone number and her name, just in case. Jackie! Usually she'll just run back here with Jackie. And I have seen her. It's not like I'm not seeing her. I hear the plow. Is that a plow? Yeah. Or maybe the train, I don't know. I haven't heard the train in a while, actually. Okay, let's try this. It's way better. Look at nice golden brown. We'll pretend I didn't burn it on that side. Mmm. Mmm. Crunchy. Tasty. Wow, Willow. I need to warm my feet up. I'll give you a bit of the eggs when they cool down. Okay? Not sure what that is. Manners, lady. Manners. When you eat, I should sit right next to you. Stare at you. Rocky. You want up here, buddy? You want up here? This thing's wet already. I don't know. I might bring it back to get it dry. I wasn't thinking about the fact that it was going to rain. I'm going to have, like, charcoal in my teeth. I definitely know Millie knows that word. Get it, your new bells? They're not very loud. Whoa, lady. This is steaming hot. This is one of my favorite easy dishes to make. But I am following a lady who makes meals from the Dollar Tree. And I want to try a couple of her little meals out here. The only reason why I like her stuff because she has it. She'll do ones that come in like fits all in one little Ziploc bag, so you're not bringing tons of stuff out here. But and the nice thing about her recipes is she keeps in mind that maybe not everybody's gonna have a microwave or a stove or an oven. A lot of things you can do on the oven top. So it's really not that bad. It's pretty tasty. And I was hungry. I don't. It's like 12:30, and I hadn't had breakfast or anything. I normally don't eat breakfast, so. Uh oh. Well, are you guys done? Because it could be so wet. I really didn't think it would be snowing. If we weren't out here, we'd be in the yard today, so. And this morning, Millie somehow got off her lead. I think the clip just sometimes she'll roll and unclip it. Well, I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna try to call those guys in. I mean, I don't need to because I'm gonna sit here and have my coffee. Here, tiny piece, a little tiny piece. Since you two are here, are you my good babies? That's because you guys are used to this. Willow's been doing this for 4 years now, so she knows the routine. It's a little hot. Who needs hand wipes? I actually do. It's gross, guys. Ew. Oh, I was like, what's in my pocket? And I was like, I forgot I put that slice of cheese in there. Gross. Well, I'm gonna drink my coffee, hang out here, and hopefully, when these guys get back, we'll be headed out. I like to shut the camera off when I scream for my dogs. I don't want you guys to have to hear that. Willow, go get him. Go get him. I was procrastinating so hard about coming out here. Like, just sat in my pajamas and I was like, ugh. And I'm trying to get these guys. I think the thing about it for me is these guys get so insane when they know we're coming out here. Here, excuse me. So today I was really working on getting them to calm down before we even walked out the door. I was still in my pajamas putting bells on key rings. I wasn't touching anything that belongs to them. And they started going crazy the minute I started touching those bells. Well, I'm sure they remembered, hey, yeah, don't we wear bells in the forest? Rocky, I'm so glad I brought this cot out here for you, buddy. Willow keeps looking over there. Oh my god, I hope she didn't kill anything or brings anything back. Millie's quite feral, right? Is she feral? Yeah, she's crazy. Come on up. It's wet, eh? I know, we're gonna get going soon. I gotta wait for everybody to come back. I'm gonna pack up my stuff though soon. Once these dishes all cool off, I'll be able to pack everything. Ashes of my coffee. It's absolutely beautiful out here. Right, Willow. Hopefully Millie's not going to give me a hard time about hooking up and getting her to go back to the cabin. We will see. It's not like she's going to be swimming this time. Everything's frozen. Well, I'm going to start packing up stuff. Oh. Every time I get up and sit back down, my butt's soaked because of the snow. I'm inhaling so much smoke right now. That's completely died down. Wish me luck. Then we pick up the hitchhikers. If not, I guess they know where we live. That's a horrible attitude, but I think next time I come out, Millie will be on a long lead because I feel like I need to start with basics with her again. It's like she forgot everything, and because Jackson just follows her everywhere. Come on, Jackie, let's go! I know where they are because Willow's headed that way. Well, it's nice to get out here. To watch, make sure I don't lose anything. What you looking at, Rock? I love these spruce, especially when they're covered in trees. All right. Hey, come on. There's Jackie. So, hopefully. Come on, let's go. We're going home. Come on, Millie. Hey, come here and get treats. Come on. This guys, Millie's back. I don't have to put out an APB or a lost dog ad, even though she has a... Come on, that's it. You should have stayed in camp. You could have had more treats, but you did not. Now you're stuck with me. Now the only reason why I hook her up like this on the way back, whoops, sorry, poor camera angle, is because it's a 50-50. She's going in the yard or she's gonna go out to the road, but I think she's pretty tired. Come on, Mel. Let's go, babes. I don't have anything else. There we go. Great, let's enjoy this beautiful forest walk. Cue music.